topic is solving age problem naman. So, tapos na tayo anak sa number problem, geometry problem. Ano yung kanina? Okay, money problem. This time, pang-apat na po tayo, which is the age problem. Okay, example number 7. The age of Carla is 6 less than twice the age of Diane. Okay, the sum of their ages is 48. The question is, find their ages. Step 1, understand the problem. O, Tagalogin natin. Okay, so ang binanggit po dyan sa example number 7 ay age ni Carla at ni Diane. So sa first sentence, ang sabi, ang age daw anak ni Carla ay twice the age of Diane, then less than 6 pa. So ibig sabihin, mas matanda anak si Carla kaysa kay Diane. At pag pinagsama daw anak, yung age ni Carla at ni Diane ay equal daw sa 48. Ang tanong, ano yung exact age ni Carla at ni Diane? Okay, first, ano yung hint na binigay? Kaninong age? Kay Carla o kay Diane? Kay Carla. So meaning, ang unknown natin, bukod kay Carla is kay Diane. So, let X be the age of Diane. Ito po yun. Then, mabibase tayo dito anak para makaform tayo ng mathematical expression sa age ni Carla. Okay. So, again, the age of Carla is 6 less than twice the age of Diane. Ano kaya yung pwede maging mathematical term dyan? 6 less than twice the age of Diane. Anyone? Greno? Minus what? Or what will be the mathematical expression for that statement? 2x. Very good. So that is 2x minus 6. And that is the age of Carla. And now, step number 3, form an equation. So meron na tayong dalawang unknown. So form an equation na. How to form an equation? Dito rin anak, binigay yun. The sum of their ages is 48. O anong operation ang gagawin natin? Ipa-plus natin. I-add natin anak yung age ni Diane sa age ni Carla. Then, equal daw yan sa 48. Then, after that, step 4, solve. Or how to solve? Using the property of equality and combining like terms. Okay, so first, since wala tayong constant dito sa left side ng parenthesis, pwede na natin ilabas yung 2x minus 6. And then, combine like terms na. What are the like terms here at the left side? X and 2x. So, x plus 2x. Okay, 3x. Then, the remaining term, bring down lang. Then, after that, identify what is b. 6. So, negative 6. So, get the additive inverse, positive 6. Or just simply apply the addition property of equality. Cancel na po yan. Kung ano yung ginawa anak sa left, ganun din gagawin sa right side. Okay, so, anong natira anak sa left? 3x. And then, 48 plus 6. Okay, 54. This will become 3x is equal to 54. And then, our last step, apply division property of equality. Divide both sides of the equation by what number? By 3, which is the numerical coefficient of x. Kung ano yung number nakatabi ni x, doon natin i-divide. So, this is 3. Cancel na po iyan. 54 divided by 3. Okay, very good. Therefore, the value of x is 18. And 18 also is the age of Diane. Okay, identify na natin na nakuha na natin anak yung age ni Diane. Proceed na tayo sa age ni Carla. How to identify the exact age of Carla? Yung x na value na nakuha natin, anong gagawin? Isa-substitute. Papalitan natin dito. Okay. Solve for Carla's age. So, this will become 2x minus 6. So, palitan si x na 18. This will become 2 times 18 minus 6. O, 2 times 18 anak. Okay, 36 minus 6. Okay, therefore, the exact age of Carla is 30. O, check natin kung tama. Sabi, pag kinuha daw natin yung sum ng age nila, ang sagot ay 48. O, 18 plus 30. Very good. So, therefore, the value of x is correct. So, to answer this, sabi, find their ages. So, therefore, we can say that Carla is 30 years old and Diane is 18 years old.